architectural aesthetics of the ancients for thousands of years. It can still be shown in the remaining buildings. Ancient European architecture uses stone as the main support material, and China's choice is wood. Different from Western masonry overlapping structure, Chinese architecture uses a large number of mortise and tenon connections. Its components can be connected without even a nail. This wisdom is reflected not only in palaces but also in temples. Buddhism was officially introduced into China during the Eastern Han dynasty. Because the culture is very different from India, the emperor of the Eastern Han dynasty allowed temples to be built according to the Chinese royal architectural etiquette. Except cassock, regular clothes are made according to Han clothes. Later, no matter how the dynasties changed, this tradition has always been preserved. Only then did we see the martial monk robe. So you go to any Han Buddhist temple represented by Shaolin Temple, what you see is the buildings and clothes of the Han dynasty. Follow me, take you to learn more about Shaolin Temple.